Hello everybody, come in. Let's review today the 150 square meters house. It is fully detached house with its own pool, its own garden, and in the urbanization of Polop. This is a town only 20 minutes drive from Albir Beach. So let's go inside and check how it is built inside. So we come into the living room. It has very big kitchen. It is an island kitchen. It has all fully equipped kitchen and all engineering is in the price. Here you have on the first floor very nice bedroom with the wardrobe and the bathroom right here. So on the second floor there are two bedrooms with two more showers and toilets, and it can also be equipped for some extra money the solarium top roof. And besides, this house has level A energy efficient. Let's go and check the second floor. So we are on the second floor and there is one bedroom here. It is suite. It has such a shower. There is a wardrobe here and entrance to this marvelous terrace. Terrace is quite big. It has views to these Campana mountains, and also there is another bedroom. Let's go and check another one. It is also a suite bedroom. It has a shower and very nice with views to the mountains bedroom. Also, let's go and check how the solarium can be equipped. So this is a solarium part. This is top roof, and there is an engineering, sun batteries, and there is a nice view to the sea, and you can use this if you would like to. So in this urbanization we have detached villas and semi-detached villas, and what is very interesting here that inside they are very big. They have 150 square meters. The plots are not very big, about 200-250 square meters, and the price is one of the best in our area. It is 289,000 euro. It is about semi-detached house, and the fully detached house it is from 339,000 euros, and there are only 5 of these houses left. You can get this house in 14 months to be built, and you can subscribe to our channel and ask us about the selection of these villas. You can get the best service at COSTABLANCA with 333 team in our channel.